Hey everybody, welcome to Driving Cheap with Jeff. On today's video, I'm going to give a little follow-up on my fuel pump replacement on my 2011 Dodge Charger. Now, I installed brand new fuel pumps in my car, but you don't have to. A good alternative to installing new fuel pumps and saving $350 is you can go to your local pull-apart yard, pay about $50, and you can get a good used set of brand name fuel pumps, and it's not that hard. And basically it might take looking through about 3 or 4 cars, but you'll find a new set in one of the cars, or at least a recent set. It's pretty easy to tell. The plastic hoses that run from one side to the other, they're typically a dark brown when they're original, and after they've been replaced they're a nice glossy white. So that is a good option for a fuel pump replacement if you have the time. Go to a salvage yard and find a nice brand name set of pumps out of a donor car. I'm very happy with how quiet these precision fuel pumps from O'Reilly Auto are. They are quieter than the pumps that I installed in my wife's 2008 Dodge Magnum, which were Delphi brand and Bosch brand. Those are the best I can find. I want the car to be reliable, and they do make a little bit of noise that I notice. Now, the fuel smell is completely gone after 4 days. I didn't have to leave anything open. I let the car sit for 2 and drove it for 2, and now there's no gasoline odor at all. The one thing that I want you to be aware of, after you replace the fuel pumps, if your car broke down because the fuel pumps went bad, you might get an incorrect gear ratio fault code, and you might get a cylinder misfire fault. Those are permanent fault codes, and you could clear the check engine light with one of these, but it will come back on. So you'll need to get a more expensive, more advanced scan tool to clear the permanent faults out of the car. And you'll probably find that there's more permanent faults in the car that have been there for a long time. Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll get notified every time I make a new video. Thanks for watching.